Jack's David.
Yak, who is your father?
Padre David.
How young are you?
Padre Godin.
How young are you? Pero natimidad.
3 years old.
Who is your mother?
Janica is Godin Rivera.
Is she beautiful?
Yeah.
How about your father?
Mahusay.
Is your father handsome?
No,
No.
ugly.
Ugly? Why he is ugly? Who is your favorite auntie? Ha?
Auntie,
Bakit? Bakit mo siya favorite?
one year.
Only one only? How about your favorite uncle? Who is your favorite uncle?
Uncle Buni.
Why?
Uncle Iso.
Why? Uncle Buni and Uncle Ison. Love ni Uncle, the best?
Yes.
Yes. Oy, where have you been? Last week. You went to?
Kansangay.
No, you rode on a big boat, di ba? A ferry boat. Saan kayo nagpunta?
Cebu. Cebu.
Wow, Cebu. Anong ginawa mo sa Cebu?
Maayam.
Huh? Did you watch kuan? Did you watch basketball?
Yeah.
Who won?
Niyak ko ya tayabi.
Ala ka sisikat. Nagdaog sila. Nanalo sila. Hindi sila nanalo. Ano man na? What is your pasalubong?
Hindi.
What is your pasalubong kay Uncle Buni?
Hindi.
Ha?
Hindi.
Ano yung pasalubong mo kay Uncle Buni?
Hindi.
Oy, are you going to school now? Sino naman ang maghahatid sa'yo doon sa school?
Mo.
Ho?
Mo.
Ano mo? Sino? Sino ang maghahatid sa'yo?
Uncle Boni.
Okay. Uncle Bonnie will stay inside your classroom?
YouTube na.
Will Uncle Bonnie stay inside your classroom?
No.
Why? Why?
Because I'm study. I will sing Himaya. Kanta si Himaya. Himaya. At amay.
Who will-
Himaya. Kanta si Himaya. Himaya.
Who will be your teacher?
I will be in saxophone.
Who will be your teacher? Who will be your teacher?
I want me.
Me? Who are your classmates?
Me.
Hini tsada.
Kuya baby.
Kuya Andoy nga. Mano Kuya Andoy?
Apa yun?
Apa rati Kuya Andoy? Yan malit gwapo. Say goodbye. Goodbye to our YouTube channel. Bye-bye.
YouTube now.
Okay, I will stop my video. Goodbye mga ka-YouTube.